Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to write our first C++ program. First, open VS Code or any IDE you installed. Go to File, create a new file, name it as first.cpp and save it. Here we will write our first C++ program. Every C++ program basically looks like this. It has a library IOStream. We have included it in our code. Basically, our program start here, where here the main function. What is this? It is main, M-A-N. The braces are called as functions. Every function has a return type. Here, the return type of our function is int. So, for integer return type, we have to return an integer. So, here we are returning 0 as return type. What is this opening and closing flower braces? This is the body of the function. Any code we write inside this function, we have to write here. So let's get started. First, write a welcome message. Cout. You have to write it in double quotes. Run it here. It is not showing anything because the cout is inside this library. For including that, we have to name as we have to include the namespace standard std colon. This colon represented as scope resolution. Run it now. Sorry, I have to save it. Here it works. First save the file and run it now. See here. It is showing welcome to C program. Imagine we have a lengthy program. Every time we have to write C in, C out, we can't write this scope resolution. So there is another way to write this. We can skip this by writing here using namespace. By writing this here, we can skip writing std scope resolution. But writing std colon scope resolution is better than writing name using namespace std, because we are not using everything inside this first namespace. Only we are using std, cin, cout, only that we are using. But for beginners, it is better to write using namespace std. Okay. Next, we will print the name of the user by taking it as input. For that, first we have to take input from the name. For taking input, first display. What is display? Enter your name. And for moving the cursor to the next line, type endl semicolon. For every cout input, we have to end the line by semicolon. We have to take input from the user. Where we have to take the input from the user? To the variable name. How? By using cin. Cin name. But we haven't declared this name. So to declare the name, what is the data type of the name? It is a string. We will learn this later. String name. Before using a variable, we have to declare this. Okay. Here we are using string. String is in library called string. So we have to include that library. Hashtag include string. Here we have to display I'm putting entire layer also. Save it and run the file. Here it is showing enter your name. Enter your name. I will enter Anil. Sorry. It is happening because it is only output terminal. So we have to change our preferences to run the code in terminal. So go to file, preferences, settings, go here and search for code runner we installed in last session. After that, scroll down here. Here, click on this code runner run in terminal. Then go back, Control S, stop running this, run again. Now it is running in terminal. So here enter your name. I will name it as Anil. It is showing hello Anil, welcome to C programming. Here, see here, there is no space between hello and welcome to C programming. To give space, there are two options. You can give it by adding like this. Sorry. Like this. Here, or it is best to add space. Here, I will remove this. I will remove, sorry. Here, after hello, I will add a space. Before W in welcome, I will add a space there also. If we run this program, enter your name, it is working correctly. Okay. Now, again run the program. I will add the name as Anil Kumar. What happens here? If I enter the name as Anil Kumar, it is showing only Anil. That's it. Because it will read, if you have 2 or 3 words in your name, it will read only one word. To read entire name, we are using getLine. Again save and run the file. Here enter the name as Steve Joseph. Click enter. Here you will enter, give enter, here you get the output as entire name. We will write another program. Go to file, click new file. We will write for adding 2 numbers, add create a file. We will clear the terminal now. Go here, right click. Press Ctrl L to clear the terminal. Here we will write our program. To add 2 numbers, hashtag include. We have to include the IOString file library. Here we don't need string, so I am not including it. Using then the start of the program int main, then the body of the program, opening and closing braces, the return type. We have to return. Here in return type is integer, so we are returning integer. If we mention it is void, we are not going to return anything. In C++, we use int only. So first, think about the program. For adding 2 numbers, we need 2 variables. 2 variables to add. We are going to take first. We are going to declare those 2 numbers. Hint a comma b. So we have to take input from the user. So printing it. Cout means it is printing to the console. C means console, console out. We are printing that out. What are we printing to the console means? Console means screen. What are we printing? Enter 2 numbers. We have to take the input from the user. So we are using cin console in. A, B. We are taking two inputs, A comma B. Cout, we have to process the output. Okay. Cout A plus B. Save the file. Run now. Enter 2 numbers. Enter here 4, 9. it is printing as output 13. Instead of writing here, we can also declare another variable integer c equal to a plus d. We will process the input and assign it to a variable c. We will print c here. See here, I am giving 35 and 10 as input. It is showing 45. Sum is 45. And all I am giving input in the same line. 35 I am giving space and 10. You can also give like this also. I am first giving 10 and press enter. Then I will 6, press enter. Then it is taking. You can give it anyway. Every program has 3 steps. First is taking input from the user. Here we are taking the input from the user. We are taking A and B input from the user and we are processing the input. Here we are adding A and B. It is called processing the input. Then we are providing output to the user. Here in Cout sum is C. We are providing output to the user. That's it guys. This is your first C++ program. I think you liked it. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.